Welcome back, people, to Cinema Goggles. I am Vish,
And I'm Vishali.
and
And I'm Akina.
and today we're gonna watch a pretty little video called. This is called 2016 Mama BTS Stage Fire.
Yes.
So it's apparently a stage
Yes.
stage performance by BTS.
on a song called Fire.
Yeah,
but
it's like a
there's
live
also
performance.
So it's from 2016. So it's
Yeah.
fair bit older,
yeah.
but yeah, it's gonna be good
Yeah.
because all of them tell us in the comments.
And in fact, I wanted to do this live performance from a really long time
Yeah.
because it was actually good. And
Yeah.
the fan chant, I would just want to see it. It's just going to be epic.
Yes.
And all of them in the comments tell us all the time that their live performances are far better and even better than their
Yeah.
music videos, which we love so dearly. I mean, I
And-
can't imagine what can be better than those videos.
Yeah, and we have only watched one live performances, and even in that video, Yugina's video got.
Yeah, that was.
Screwed
yeah,
up.
those I think was Tiny
Yeah.
Desk.
But yeah, that was Tiny Desk.
Yeah, it was insane. It was.
but there
great
was no
video.
crowd.
Yeah,
But
it
there was
was
no
so
crowd,
good.
so it's gonna be different.
Yeah, it's
gonna
gonna be
really different.
It's gonna be
Epic.
Epic, yeah, that's the word. So,
Yeah.
without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's get it.
Video.
Also, quick update on our Harry Potter reaction videos. We are very, very, very sorry because it's
Yeah.
getting delayed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're in a pandemic and we can't shoot together because she lives in somewhere else and
Yeah,
we can't be together and watch a movie right now because it's a lockdown in
Yes.
Delhi, here
Yeah.
where we live.
That's why we are taking our time and not shooting it at the moment.
Yeah, so we can't watch movies like this, you
This,
know,
like,
it'd
yeah.
be quite uncomfortable and not enjoyable as much.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
we're just waiting for the lockdown to lift up and so that we can
Yeah.
after that we can watch the remaining movies of Harry
The
Potter
Order of the
series,
Phoenix.
and there are a lot of more
Yeah.
more movies that we want to watch.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because
We were in fact looking forward for the Order of the Phoenix so much, but then immediately the lockdown happened and
Yes.
it's getting really delayed. Thank you so much for your patience, but please wait a little
Yeah.
longer. Please stick with us.
and watching movies is such a big part of our channel. Cause
Yeah, because we started like
yeah,
that.
we love to watch
Harry
movies. We love
Potter,
watching
yeah.
movies.
Yeah, and we cannot wait to shoot all the Harry Potters and then more movies
Yeah,
because we love
we
doing
do
movie
wanna do
reviews and reactions. So please stick with us a little longer.
Yeah.
We hope that the pandemic will end soon, or even if it won't, it don't
It just-
end. The things will get better, and we'll definitely
Yeah,
shoot as soon as we can.
yeah.
And I think this is like also the message that practice social distancing.
Yeah.
We should all respect the social distancing norms at the moment, and everybody should just stay at their places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please stay safe. Stay at your homes
Wear masks.
and watch our videos.
Yeah.
उसने लेट करा.
Oh my god.
Boy meets evil.
Cheo!
Yeah. Apparently the best dancer.
Yeah, you had done it. Oh my god. He's dancing alone and he's just. Woo! That was.
That's Jimmy.
Blindfolded. Jimin is blindfolded.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Just like he was in Blood, Sweat and Tears.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, like red and
Fire
blue,
and ice.
as in good and bad. Good
No,
and
I
evil?
think it's heat and cold.
Yeah, maybe. But they said Boy Meets Evil. Oh, Boy Meets Evil is Blood, Sweat and Tears. Two best dancers of the group.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Seriously. It's like an epic showdown.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
You love to watch these performances live.
Yes.
This is
The evil. Oh. What are they doing, man? Okay, they're the boys. I'm guessing blood, sweat, and tears. Woo! I love the song. Oh wow.
Nice.
Their fan chant. Sugar.
Yeah.
He looks such like a rich prince.
All of them do.
Yeah, but he's like long coat and everything.
So, yeah.
It feels like Adam has an auto tune in his
Or is
Side
he
of him.
in his rap?
yeah, like so perfect voice, so perfect execution. But
This is the deep voice. Nice.
I like this step.
Yeah.
Mane mane mane. Wow.
Money, money, money.
Wow. I've started recognizing all of their voices.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's so good. Okay.
Army bombs.
His voice is just so different.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's his voice.
Deepest voice.
It's yours.
Yes.
Money, 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 money. Wow. I wonder how they're gonna end this. Like in the video, they ended it with weirdly.
Oh yeah, how you not excited?
Yeah, you know, with his back exposed and everything. I wonder if they're gonna do that on stage.
No.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Obviously they would.
But that would be epic if they will.
No.
Jin!
They look so good
They look so freaking amazing.
in these clothes. They look so good.
Yeah. Wow. Such
Nice.
clean steps.
Yeah, and beautiful, pleasing to the eye.
Yeah. Okay, they just ended it like that. Okay, no problem.
Nice. Now look at all those people. So many people.
Wow.
Just
It's like,
cheering
it's
and
like a
cheering and
galaxy.
screaming
Look
for
at the Lando
these
festival.
7 guys.
He is going to do that.
Okay. That is so cinematic. That is so
That is
cinematic.
so cool.
So it's me.
They did it. They fully did it. Everything.
Who's the one?
Jin.
Okay, it's Jin and V.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Love
it's
it.
about Jin meeting V. V is evil.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. 'Cause in the
The marks are from the like wings getting cut.
Yeah.
Something, yeah. So maybe he is evil.
What now?
Okay, that is a lot to process for me right now. What is going on? I thought that was the end.
No, this looks like a weird.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
What is this?
They're not the boys.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna perform Fire.
They may be boys too.
I mean, not from the band. Woo! I have never heard this song, but it looks.
I've never heard this song.
Yeah, but
either.
it sounds great.
Yeah, like fire.
Yeah. Rap line. Woohoo!
What's rap line?
The rap line, I think, is gonna kill it.
What is rap line?
The rappers. Okay, so everybody's here. Okay, I thought just the rappers were there. That was.
The energy.
Damn!
Fire.
Wow.
Fire. We haven't heard this song.
Yeah, we've never. Their energy level is off the charts, man.
Yeah, and they maintain it
Yeah,
throughout the
I mean, I would have been on the floor if I would have danced that much. Oh my god, look at the sweat.
La 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 la.
Jimin!
Okay.
Wow.
Nice.
That is such a great song.
And this step is so good.
I think I've heard this tune somewhere.
Yeah, I think I
like
also
Turn
have
Down
heard
for
this
What?
somewhere in background or something.
It's that song. Yeah, it's that song.
Yeah.
Like Turn Down for What?
Yeah, but it's very catchy.
But I don't recognize it at all.
Yeah.
No, yeah, you have never heard it. There's the worldwide handsome.
Jin.
Yes. It's coming, the fight. Yes. Okay, is it just me or Jungkook is like spends the most time in the center?
I don't think so.
Looks like it.
I've seen Jin spending time in the center too.
Okay, now Jimin is in the center.
Yeah.
Okay, it's like perfectly balanced.
Nah, this step.
You know this step?
No, I have no, but I like it.
Yeah. It's full of.
Nice. I don't understand one word. But
Yeah.
this is so
I
good
just
to
understand fire. Fire!
Maybe.
Wow, J-Hope. Oh, that the sound really deep and that's V's voice. This one.
I think it's one of the rappers. But I
No,
don't
it was V.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's so
Oh my god.
good.
Like whenever they have to make such noises, it's V that makes it.
Yeah. They're so into it.
Oh my god, his throat must be hurting so bad right now. Wow, I loved it.
Nice.
Loved it.
That's so cool.
It was great.
I fully understand why people say they watch their live performances.
Live performance, I was saying, I think it gives a different you know,
Yeah.
perspective.
Yeah.
It gives perspective of the fans, all the people in the audience.
Yeah, the
So many people, you know, screaming, cheering, and all the energy filled with humans.
It's a whole another experience,
Yeah.
especially with songs like these.
Exactly.
Fire.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Their
And
energy
I
is.
heard that song Fire for the first time, and I am just so astonished. Like their energy, they were performing live, and they performed back to back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Back to back.
That is-
Jimin and
Yeah,
J-Hope
just
like performed 3
powerhouse.
songs back to back, and even the first one took so much.
Yeah, it took.
The
I
first
mean,
performance.
They practiced like hours
Yeah,
and
hours
hours
and hours a
hours.
day.
It's just-
Yeah, and listen, did you notice that hidden energy between V and Jin at the end of that song Blood, Sweat and Tears? I mean, they weren't
Yeah.
doing anything, but still I felt like we're going to have it. Like it was so intimate.
Yeah, it was very, and that's why the fans like they went crazy when that happened. They didn't. I think even they didn't expect that.
Yeah.
But it was amazing. Even when I heard Fire for the first time and I was so into it. Also, this was an award show and they turned it into their own concert. Like people brought army bombs
concert. That's
to an
BTS.
award show.
Is it an award show?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's music awards.
Wow, that's
So
crazy, man.
it's
That's just army for
Mnet
you.
and then Asian
Asian
Music Awards. That's Mama.
Oh yeah, Mama. And that Asian Music Awards. And people like everybody brought their own army bombs to an award show.
Yeah, that's how big they
Yeah,
are.
like people actually support them so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was amazing, off the charts. I've never seen anything like this before. Like live performance. Also, I've never in my life have any kind of respect or love for raps, but the moment RM comes, I'm like, oh wow, he's killing it.
Yeah, she hates rap and
Yeah.
hip hop.
I
I
used
mean,
to
I don't like it too
hate.
much, but she just hates it.
Yeah, I used to hate it, but now it's like, okay, I've found holy respect for that.
Yeah.
Once RM started doing that, oh my god.
Even J-Hope's new hair color, I just loved that.
Yeah.
That pink hair color.
Yeah. This was amazing.
Most of the time I've seen V in that color, but Hope was killing it.
Yeah. J-Hope was on fire
Yeah. He looks best dancing.
because he is the best dancer. Hands down. Okay, that was amazing, guys. Thank you so much for recommending that. We are full of energy now. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment down below more recommendations. Thank you so much. Bye.